Take a look at my face, dear darling. Ah, Jesus. Spy camera. See that finger? Tells you to fuck off. I'll give you a fucking finger.
Well, right before we were leaving, I saw her shoot the meanest glance at me. Oh my God!
I'm a peasant from the 1500s, and I just want some earwax. I need nutrition, and think of it as a free ear cleaning, perhaps. That will maybe do. And it's, oh, no, I got it. Come on.
Stay there until he gets there. I swear to God, he can't go. Really, no, keep going. This door for sure. Open this goddamn door, nigga. Since we wet my ass. Open this door, nigga. Bitch ass niggas. Bitch. Just open this goddamn door, you hear me?
Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here right now! I'm gonna beat your fucking ass! Get the fuck out of here! This dude was in my fucking yard right now.
Who is it?
Some fucking random. I've been watching him through the fucking window. He's out already.
What did he look like?
He has a fucking vest on. Hold on.
This is, my name is James. Sosa. Sammy?
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
A friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your fucking face. Get the fuck off my porch.
Alright.
So weird, I gotta look at him and go, freak. You are a freak. You got yesterday? I got.
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for things he had to take care of. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Thanks.